If you've been wondering, what is Purify Essential Oil good for? In this video, I'm going to talk about doTERRA's Purify Essential Oil and all the different ways that you can use it and some fun facts about it. I am Mandy Sommers, a certified essential oil specialist. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Essential oil education, and I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the past 11 years. I'm really happy that you landed on my channel, and hopefully you find value in the education that I give here. I am excited to talk to you about Purify Cleansing Blend Essential Oil. Now, if you've used this, please comment below and tell us the ways that you like to use this best. And if you stick around to the end, you'll have a chance to access my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 essential oils and their traditional uses. Okay, so let's jump in and talk about Purify Essential Oil. Cleansing the air of unpleasant smells is super simple with Purify Blend. This blend of essential oils eliminates odors and protects against environmental threats without subjecting your family to toxic chemicals. This high-power essential oil of certified pure, tested grade essential oils has a very fresh citrus and herb aroma that clears the air, eradicates aromas, and protects against environmental threats. You can deodorize your shoes, deodorize your refrigerator, your cars, your boats, your bathrooms, your sports equipment, garbage cans, and so much more with Purify Cleansing Blend. In fact, if you burn something in the oven, this is a great one to diffuse. Traditionally, traditional cleaners and deodorizers often contain artificial fragrances and harsh chemicals. These can actually be harmful and cause irritation. With Purify, you can keep your home smelling fresh and clean without subjecting you or your family to the potential hazards that come with those synthetics. So you can diffuse Purify in any room of the house to refresh the air and eliminate bad odors. Purify can also be used to clean surfaces and also to clean around the home. So there are 6 powerful essential oils combined in Purify Cleansing Blend. Number 1 is tea tree, otherwise known as Melaleuca. It's native to Australia, where the crushed leaves have been used to purify the air for hundreds of years. The air cleansing and purifying benefits of tea tree essential oil are believed to be derived from its concentration of gamma terpene, which experimental research has shown may help to protect against seasonal and environmental threats. Next, we're going to talk about the purifying benefits of lime and lemon essential oils. These are due to their high concentration of monoterpene limonene. Refreshing and uplifting, these popular citrus oils also provide excellent topical cleansing properties. They're great in any of your cleansers that you want to make. And then we've got the fresh, woody scent of Siberian fir. This is a tree oil that has a very fresh aroma and is also known for its emotionally grounding benefits. Now we've also added in here citronella, and citronella has a clean and fresh scent that's similar to lemongrass, which makes it a fantastic natural deodorizer. Next, we've got cilantro, and cilantro is a fragrant herb with powerful cleansing properties. You can actually find a video for that one up in the cards. These powerful essential oils combined are perfect for dispelling odors and cleaning hard surfaces. So to remove odors from a room, you simply need to diffuse 4 to 5 drops. And you can also put a few drops on a cotton ball, put that in your car, put it in your shoes, whatever it is that you're trying to clean the scent up. So for a natural and effective household cleaner, you can add 5 drops of Purify Essential Oil blend into a small spray bottle, and you can fill that with water and then use that as a simple spray, perfect for wiping down counters and really purifying your environment. Purify can also be applied topically to the skin to soothe the skin after getting a bug bite. If you would like to purchase Purify Cleansing Blend or one of my starter kits, I would love to be your essential oil girl. Go ahead and follow the link in the description below. It's freebie time. You made it through the video, so I wanted to give you access to my private Essential Oils Made Easy class. You can follow the link in the description below to get registered, and you can also access my free essential oil usage guide with over 100 traditional uses for specific essential oils. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to continue to create educational videos just like this one. We will see you in the next video.